left behind in the good old days, they just keep on coming. Yeah, we're moving on. Got the world with me and no place I'd rather be than rolling.
What was that?
Started recording. Alright, so we made it for our Harvest Host. Let me start that over. Alright, we made it to Harvest Host tonight. We're in South Carolina. And Timmonsville, South Carolina, and we're at a winery called the Cartersville Family Winery.
I think it's Cartersville.
Cartersville?
Cartersville.
You want to restart?
No. Perfect. Oh my God, Lucy. Jeez.
Talk about walking the edge, though.
Oh, yeah. Oh, it scared me.
Well, anyway, Cartersville Winery has some hookups. You can do power, water, or full hookup with sewer.
Okay, so what is our impression of this one?
Back here? Or
Of
the winery?
this winery.
I think we hit it out of season. The wine was awesome.
Yeah.
We did the wine tasting already. Phenomenal. It's muscadine wine. And look at, there's more hookups right here. On that little muscadine wine. The wine was amazing. Staff was super friendly. They got little grass pads for all the different RV spots to set up at.
Where else are we going next?
I was just about to say, we're about to head over to, there's a horse show right across the street. So we're gonna go check out horse show. Figure out what that's about. It always works out. We always get lucky, things like that. And if you say that, it'll happen more and more. Little doggy! You wanna see how smart Puggles are?
Huh? She did good.
Oh, she did good. Lucy, where are you heading?
She's not gonna.
This one's not gonna figure this one out. Lucy, come on this way, baby. Did you figure it out?
Lucy, come back this way. Oh. No. Lucy, this way. Come, Lucy.
You're gonna have to walk around there too with her. Lucy! Let's take the dogs. It will be fun, she says. It's recording both of us at the same time.
I know.
I can just focus on you and you'll never see it flip to me.
I know, but I just want to see like what it looks like. You look like
Now look at, do it on your finger.
haven't really
Scroll it.
seen
You can scroll all the way around.
Ah, my hair looks like a mess. Oh my goodness.
Oh my goodness. Finish your math so we can go to a horse show.
I want to.
Okay.
Hi.
I'd say.
It's for you. I was aiming at you.
Why? Aim at you.
Well, I mean,
Camera
it's
shot.
always aimed at him.
Anyway, they originally wanted us to park right here, and his golf cart started tearing up a little bit there. And it's really close to the ledge, and I just didn't trust our bus with it, so I said next.
Is that a red cardinal? Look at that red.
Yeah, that's definitely a cardinal.
Look how red.
That's so cute.
Isn't that beautiful? I don't remember the last time I've seen a red cardinal.
I thought all cardinals were red.
More like a red, like a red bird.
Like a very, very
Very red, like a
like bright.
great. And then look at those tracks. That
Yeah.
was the golf cart.
He had us wanted to pull in here. His golf cart was making these trenches.
And
true.
like 30, whatever. How
What's
much
that?
is
Like,
it?
how, like we're so heavy being on that cliff on that edge right there.
We
What
fill
do you
that
call
in.
Seriously, like a 32.
It's kind of like the ditch you fell in, right?
30,000 pounds.
It's kind of like the ditch you guys. You
Yeah.
fell in busting.
No footage, no proof.
Oh, there's
we got
footage.
Alright.
No footage, no proof.
So we're heading over to a horse show that they said they have 3 times a year.
Only 3 times a year.
Yeah.
Yep. So
Like
we're lucky.
today?
Timing.
Exactly. That's
Yeah.
why we're coming because we can't miss this.
I see a bounce house.
Oh wow.
See some horses
That'll be fun.
already.
I'm gonna force you guys to jump on it with me. Hooves or hooves?
Hooves.
Yes.
Hooves.
Hooves. Hooves?
You
Wait,
call
what were
Wait,
we,
what do I call it?
what were we trying to pronounce yesterday?
Corset.
A corset.
Corset.
Corset?
Corset.
Corset. And we
Corset.
figured out it's a corset.
No, it's a corset.
It's not a corset.
It is.
A corset. And those are hooves.
You guys are crazy.
Hooves. Yeah, they are hooves.
Yes.
What is that? Is that a deer?
Don't run.
Is that a deer? That's a deer.
You gotta put your hand in, and you can pet him if you're slow and gentle.
Noelle. Oh, come here. You're okay.
Are you recording that?
Yeah, that's recording.
Oh my gosh.
He's saying hi.
It's like, well, I'm curious.
Hi, YouTube. Hi, YouTube. Hi, baby.
Where are you? I don't really remember how long.
No, but her purse is over by the other thing. I said it's okay because we're here in 2 seconds, but. All right, walk around. Is she coming?
Okay, so we heard there was a horse festival when we went to our wine tasting for our harvest host for the night. So they said they have it 3 times a year. So we decided to come walk over and check it out.
We have activities for the kids, even the older ones.
Love you. They have stuff for sale.
And then tomorrow, we're not going to be here, but tomorrow they're going to have a trail ride for all the people with horses, and they can all go around and as a big group do a trail ride. It's pretty neat, fun. They're going to have a DJ and a band later with a dance.
They are. Dinner.
Oh yeah, dinner. And of course Jello shots. See that?
Jello shot.
Talk of the town.
Should we do a Jello shot?
I don't know if we can do a Jello shot.
Yeah, we can. Let's go do a Jello shot.
All right, Noelle's got our wallet.
Oh, does she?
Yeah, it's in the purse.
Oh.
But she's right there.
Shot.
What we're going to do is we found this little purse right here, and we're going to go through this purse. Take a wallet. Should we?
That's how easy.
I got to zip it
That's heavy.
because it's all our stuff.
Perfect. I should probably tell her I took the purse.
No, I see how she reacts when it's not there. Oh, it is April Fool's. She might see you walking off or something. You're the meanest April Fool's joke from Mom ever. You're so mean.
She shouldn't have left her purse alone. Kind of like when she didn't lock our e-bikes when she grabbed her own e-bike. Left ours unlocked. It's going to teach her.
Now she's gonna go buy us some Jello shots.
How many y'all need?
We might need a couple. Do you want to do one and then
Yeah, let's
we'll-
taste it and then we might switch around.
There you go.
So
And then do you shoot it or do you nibble on it?
No,
What's
you're-
the right way to
You're supposed
eat
to
it?
shoot it. It's just
Shoot
a,
it?
You
Like
need to
an
take your
oyster.
finger and curl it around, but if you're a professional, you
Use
take
your
put it up
tongue.
here and use your tongue.
If you're a professional.
If you're a professional, you can just use your tongue.
Oh man.
let's see how professional you are, babe.
Yeah.
I have to use my finger. And some people out here have other people use their tongues on theirs because they can't use their tongue. We
Oh
had
my
somebody use a
goodness.
stranger's tongue. last
No
year.
way. That
Yeah.
sounds like that
They
was
were
later on in the evening,
They were
huh?
like here.
Family show.
He turned it around and she
I
shot
believe
it.
one
and I
of
was
them might
like,
have fed him
okay.
to the horse. I'm not sure.
Let the,
Now,
let the
I will
horse
tell you what
scrape it
I
off.
do sometimes. I'll take the lid
Yeah.
and I'll run it around the edge.
Oh, I kind of like that
So I
idea.
kind of cheat a little.
Okay, I might cheat. Are you gonna cheat or
I'm
you're
gonna use
gonna
my
go for
tongue.
it? You're gonna go for it?
Or you can just scoop it out with the lid.
Just
Oh, I'm
tongue it.
destroying it.
So I sound tongue it.
Just doing this scoopage. You going for? Oh no! I dropped some. I
That's
wasted
why you
some.
tongue it.
I'm not coming out.
You haven't tongued it the right way.
I didn't tongue it right.
Like I said, I use my finger and I go around the edges.
Oh, he's a professional.
He's a professional.
I can use my tongue.
No, half of it. That was delicious.
I told you.
It's good. That is strong.
That's right up my alley right there.
Yeah.
They're all at least 50% alcohol.
Yes.
Do you want one more?
Yeah.
Well, I mean, you might as well get trash kids right there. I mean, you might as well get your money's worth.
What are you doing? Stick
I'm
your
working
tongue.
on it. I
Watch.
got it on my
Stick-
nose.
Stick your tongue out.
There's some wipes right
No,
there.
don't put your dirty
I'm not.
finger in it.
Stick your tongue out and just rub it around the edge. Stick your
That's how
tongue
you
out.
do. That's how you
Now
do
turn
it.
the cup. Keep going. 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 No, that's all you're doing is breaking it off the
I
cup.
did it. I did it.
Yeah. Now you just gotta suck it. Now suck with your tongue. Turn it in. Yeah, better.
There's some wipes and some hand sanitizer if you need it.
Yeah, you dirty boy.
Not me.
That was so good.
It was good.
One more?
Yeah.
Do you want to try something different?
Yep. I'm gonna do something different,
Okay.
but I don't know what I should do different.
What are you going for?
Open.
Oh, it was.
Yes.
Totally open.
Thank you. That's my daughter's purse.
Well, yeah, we took it and we're gonna see because she left it down, and we took it because it's
I
April
raise
Fool's to see if
chickens
she notices.
commercially.
Did you?
She still hasn't noticed. My April Fool's plan
I know it doesn't really work when she
was
doesn't.
accomplished.
You'll just have to hide it over by the fountain by us. I'm gonna sit. You okay if I sit? You wanna sit on my jacket?
No.
Are you sure?
I'm gonna sit.
So what do we think about the horse trail ride event?
Horse trail ride event.
Yeah.
I think it's adorable.
I thought petting the deer was freaking awesome.
Yeah.
The whole community is pretty neat.
Yeah. Sweet.
Noelle's having fun.
I know, it's like she goes
Kids.
from being a teenager and makeup and rolling her eyes to now, oh, it's a bounce house.
Right?
It just takes a bounce house to get my little girl back for like 10 minutes. But wait till she sees her purse missing, then you'll see the teenager in her.
What you just have to do is scream to get her shoes on, so that way.
So that's what we'll do when it's time to go. We'll go, go get your shoes on, get your stuff. And then she'll go, and then she'll look at us and be like, hey, she'll run over to us and she's gonna go, wait guys, do you have a purse? Did you pick up our purse? And we're saying, no, of course not. What are you talking about, Noelle? Well, where's your purse? Seriously. No guys, seriously, where's did you take my purse? It's not there. It's gone. My purse is missing.
But you finish.
And I'm like, no, you don't.
You're bringing up the whole situation, the whole
Yeah,
thing.
because I'm gonna be right on this, right? And then I'm gonna go, oh my gosh, you know, Daddy's wallet is in it, in my phone. Oh my gosh, I know. Seriously, where is it? And she's going, oh, I don't know. And she's gonna get really, really panicked, and then we're gonna start laughing. And Daddy and I are gonna say, April Fool.
But we gotta be walking away like Garrett said, go get your stuff and then we'll walk. So we're not sitting here.
Okay, that's the plan, right? We're sticking to it. How do you think it'll play out? What's your...
That sounds about right. I just don't want her to break down crying.
That'd be kind of
She
funny.
just bought it. With her own money.
And that makes it even better of an April Fool's joke.
She's gonna kill you.
I know. Alright, so we should turn that off, and then when we're ready. Glad to you.
How long have you been roping for?
1 year.
Whoa!
You two could do a whole show like that.
Yeah, I know. This is
Roped in
Hi.
7-8 months ago,
7-8 months. That's it,
but
huh?
I've been bull riding for 4 or 5 years now.
Oh wow!
I done bareback bronc and bull riding.
And how old are you? 15. So you, he got you good.
But I broke my back,
Bull riding?
broke my neck,
Really?
broke both arms, both legs, broke both ankles, broke both wrists. I broke this hip in 2 places.
Oh my gosh.
Broke my fibula bone in this leg 6 weeks ago. Broke every toe on each foot. I mean,
Wow. And you keep going back for more?
That wasn't just one
sponsored-
accident.
I'm sponsored in bull riding. I got two new sponsors last weekend.
Congratulations.
I got
That's
sponsored
awesome.
by Lowe's Home Improvement and Tractor Supply.
That's amazing.
That's really cool.
Wow, that's huge. You never know what you're going to see.
Right.
I love it.
That's awesome. Very cool.
So, y'all rodeo or tour ride or anything?
No,
Nope,
we
no.
are over at the winery.
We just had a bottle of wine.
We just had some wine, and they said you gotta come over here, so we're checking it out.
Yep.
Is it recording?
It is now. We're gonna go check this out. One says he's fast, the other one says he's good at roping. Here we go. Oh! That counts as a catch right there.
April Fools. That was really too dramatic. Okay, ready? Yeah, put our toes together.
Yeah, I'm gonna get some of that. Ready? Yeah,
What do we do?
I'm gonna pull you up and then you're gonna pull me up. Well, you got me. Perfect, you helped me out. You okay? Hurt you?
No. Just won't leave you wasting our purse joke.
No,
Like
3 hours ago.
like before we walked away the first time. We've had it the whole time and you never noticed.
Natty Light? You never heard of Natty Light?
I didn't know what that was. So I hid your purse behind this wheel, and Daddy's like, "Oh no, it's all dirty there," and he made me hide it right there, and then you saw it. So if you wouldn't have seen it, would you have totally freaked out? What would you have done?
Oh.
Because I had it all played out in my head. What would you have done? You'll have to watch the recording. Why don't you subscribe to the channel, and then you can see how I think you
Like
would
and
have
subscribe. Leave a comment. What do you think? How she reacted?
All right.
What do you think I would do?
That you
This
would have
is
freaked
the
out.
world's best April Fool's joke.
That never
no.
happened.
I love you. Did you have fun? Did you enjoy your horse festival?
Yeah.
Is it good? What's the prize? Glad it worked out, right?
Watch your step.
Yeah. That's one huge dog now.
That would be a doozy. What was the rope play?
Yeah, we got you on film. There was nothing there.
There totally was a dip there.
We'll have to watch it back.
Like and subscribe.
Oh my god.